Hey there, traders and investors. It's Rod with Powell Group. Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth for a daily market recap. Today is Monday, April 12th, and in today's video, the topic of the day is going to be Tesla's price upgrade. Cannacord Genuity upgrades to $1,071 on new battery innovation. So before we jump into it, make sure to smash the like and subscribe to the channel. It shows me some support. So we'll go over the general news and events on the day. Then we'll look at the crypto space, the overall broader market, and we'll look at some individual tickers as well. So Tesla is working on a bull flag, and we'll bring that up on the chart, but stock is looking strong. So schools to remain closed after spring break, says Premier of Ontario Doug Ford. Also, CDC chief says Michigan should shut things down as these shots alone won't stop the surge in cases. Also, business sentiment jumps to third highest level ever in Canada, so a little bit of a mixed bag there. Microsoft buys Nuance for US $19.7 billion in big bet on healthcare. Uber posts record gross bookings in March as ride-hailing demand picks up, and the stock is about $60 and about $4 away from all-time high. One of my long-term no-touch positions that I'm extremely bullish on. Alibaba shares closed 6.5% higher after being hit with a $2.8 billion fine and anti-monopoly probe. So stock was up about 10% today. So congrats to the bulls on Baba. And GameStop got wrecked today. It was down over 10%. Seeks new CEO as part of their business shakeup. Also, wanted to highlight that Binance and Tesla have come together, and today they are launching zero commission tradable stock tokens. Now you can access both cryptocurrency and traditional stock markets, all from the comfort of your Binance accounts. So each stock token on Binance will represent one share of the equity stock, which is fully backed by shares stored in a depository portfolio and underlying securities. So this is huge, in my opinion, is going to only increase the potential of Tesla, and it's going to bring a lot of new investors. I wanted to share with you guys as well, Sologenic is a tokenized security on-demand platform as well with 40,000 plus stocks, ETFs, and commodities. And this is sort of a glimpse into what we can expect in the future. Imagine being able to trade Tesla stock 24/7, 365 days a year. It's just the possibilities are absolutely endless. Just with the possibilities of Tesla stock alone, the possibilities are endless. The company's future has never looked brighter. But Sologenic is a sophisticated ecosystem built on top of the XRP ledger. It facilitates investing and trading between crypto, non-blockchain assets such as stocks, ETFs, commodities, and up to 30 plus global stock exchanges. So XRP's utility is in real world use, and another potential, the sky's the limit for XRP and the XRP ledger, as we have a lot of third-party apps building off of it. Also want to officially announce our first partner, first sponsor of Powell Group is Bybit Exchange. So this is one of the leading derivative exchanges. As per CoinMarketCap, it's top 5 on the list in terms of volume. So you can check out the description and the link below. You can sign up. I believe you get about $100 if you deposit 0.1 BTC. And there will be some campaigns targeted specifically for Powell Group. So you'll be able to get some memberships, a free month, or the Algo Alert service, or the newsletter service. They even run some promotions like free Apple Watches and free GoPros and some other cool bonuses as well as part of that partnership with Powell Group. So just want to say thanks to anybody who supported me, and Bybit is a great exchange, and I'm going to be testing their platform out a little bit more this week as well. So taking a look at the crypto space, we are bouncing back here, and we've just been whipsawing a lot for most of the day. And with SPY's all-time high record close, it's definitely adding some momentum, I believe. And just across the board, everything is just relentless at the moment. And we have a potential weekly ascending triangle here on Bitcoin. So we'll be watching this. If we take the measured move, if this does confirm and we break bullish and we confirm this ascending triangle on that weekly chart, we could be targeting $80,000 on Bitcoin, and that's USD. So about $100,000 a Bitcoin Canadian, which is absolutely insane. I'm currently waiting for hourly oversold conditions on XRP, so I'll be watching for that. I have my long-term no touch, but currently all out in cash in my day trade account, looking to potentially play hourly oversold, and I'm actually in a day trade on XLM at the moment as well. Looking to potentially find a bottom here off of the 56-cent level, so I got to stop under 56. And there was news today that Grayscale added $1 billion worth of Litecoin, Stellar, and I believe it was Zcash. So moving on, taking a look at SPY. SPY closed at an all-time we hit a new all-time high today, and we closed at a new record high. So on Friday, the record close was 411.49. Today we closed at 411.64, and we're currently at 411.78 here after hours. 12 days in a row without a higher low, all the way down to 383. The last time we consolidated on the daily was back in March 25th. Let me know in the comments below if you've seen anything like this before. This has to be a record. But no support all the way down to 383.90. We have a gap in the chart here at 467. So the low of the day today is going to be on watch tomorrow. If we lose 410.20, the low of the day today, tomorrow, then daily consolidation will be underway, and we can be potentially expecting a gap fill, but still not a daily uptrend. We still have yet to change the daily uptrend or the daily trend to an uptrend on SPY. This was just a straight moonshot and V-shaped recovery, but man, what a day, and it's almost been a month here of just straight bullish action and face ripper action. But we had a lot of daily inside bars on watch. I mentioned this last night to private members that we had a lot of inside bars. DXY, the US dollar index, had an inside bar. Oil, so all the commodities, the metals, all had daily inside bars. DXY broke bearish, but it's back within that range, and EMA 12 is going to be a brick wall of resistance here, so we'll try to get over that. But we did break it by about 1 penny, and we're back within that range. So a little bit of a red flag there, as we are seeing a lot of different indices consolidate on the daily time frame, like IWM, QQQ had a daily inside bar, so we'll be watching that, likely going to be tightening up into tomorrow. So we'll be watching that for potential break tomorrow. SMH, semiconductor ETF, already consolidating on the daily. So again, the more names that consolidate, the more clues we have that SPY could potentially do the same, and the rest of the broader market. US oil, we broke the inside bar bullish, but ultimately was a trap, bull trap, fake out straight into daily consolidation. So again, the more names that are seeing weakness in these risky assets, the more likelihood that we could potentially see that transcend into the S&P 500 as well. So we'll be watching that chart. As you can see, silver had a daily inside bar breaking bearish, gold, same thing. So again, increasing those odds of SPY following through with daily consolidation as well. XBI, biotech, weak, lost support. It's support at 126.26, and we hit 126.09, and increasing bear volume, not what bulls want to see. XLE, the energy sector, was strong and saw some rotation into it, but ultimately closed the day near the low of the day, pretty weak. Daily consolidation underway, decreasing bear volume though, and rejected at the EMAs. XLF, financial sector, closed at the high of the day, so rotation continues into the financials, and we bounced off EMA 12 there on the daily. And again, we need to see all sectors consolidate to see any significant weakness in the S&P 500. XLV closed about 0.1% in the green there, so closed fairly decent. We broke the daily inside bar bullish, but again, we'll be watching for a potential inside bar and tightening range tomorrow, and the potential of daily consolidation to indicate that SPY may experience the same as well. So Tesla, we could see an EMA 12 and 26 daily bull cross of these EMAs, and we're working on a daily bull flag. So if we can break the high here of 708.16, that is going to confirm a daily bull flag, and we'll be back into a daily uptrend. I actually entered a position today on the break of that inside bar, and I was looking to add to Tesla long term. And I was going to add when we were below $600, but personally, I'm just not comfortable holding. So I bought one share in Tesla just to say that I was a Tesla investor once again. But let me know in the comments below if you're excited. I'm extremely bullish on Tesla, just in terms of fundamentals on Tesla alone. But with this Binance news and the whole tokenization of stocks and commodities and all of that, I'm just uber bullish, and the future looks absolutely bright in both of those perspectives, and from both a crypto and from a Tesla point of view. But like I said, I'm looking to add. I'd like to add about $5,000 or $10,000 long-term, no touch in Tesla. But but I would like to get it below $500. Ideally, like to get it around 250, between 250 and 350, but I'll likely start to scale in sub $500. But like I said, just bought one share today just to say that I am, again, an investor in Tesla. I was interested in it a couple of years ago when it was at like $200 pre-split. And yeah, it just run a little too hot for me. And I think there's better opportunities elsewhere. So we'll see if we can confirm that daily bull flag into tomorrow. Taking a look at the bull and bear list, we had GME, SPCE, and AMC leading the decline today. On the bull list, we had Baba, Dash, Riot, and Tesla. And Baba, like I said, up almost 10% today. Huge volume. Congrats to the bulls there as well. So we're going to end it there. Thanks again for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth for a daily market recap. And we'll see you a little bit later on today for an MJ sector review. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow after market close and a little bit later on for that MJ review. Take care, everybody.